Ladies and gentlemen, I have some exciting news to share. Having run 10 full-blown AM Days conferences throughout the years, I've decided that the time has come for AM Days to evolve into something new. I did allude to this at our last conference in Las Vegas, and today I'm excited to announce that, drumroll please, AM Days is joining forces with Affiliate Summit to bring you the best of both conferences in one place. That laser-focused content that AM Days is known for, as well as the unparalleled networking and professional development opportunities in which Affiliate Summit is second to none. And not only are we bringing the best of both worlds for you in one place, but we are also doing it with maximum geographic benefit for you. So AM Days will now be held everywhere where Affiliate Summit will be held. Now let me clarify, this is not a merger or an acquisition. It's a collaborative agreement for the two conferences to run jointly for your benefit. And no longer do you have to choose between AM Days and the Affiliate Summit, but whenever you attend an Affiliate Summit, you will have a way to also be a part of AM Days. Going forward, AM Days will continue its heavy focus on education, taking care of Affiliate Summit's workshops segment, and we will structure these to respond to the needs of the participants of the industry. Affiliates, brands with or without affiliate programs, technology providers, and so on. Check amdays.com or affiliatesummit.com for the details of our next joint event. We're kicking things off in New York in August of 2019, and I sure hope to see you there.